no matter how fast you walk.
This is my TV lounge, and I actually set up a home theater system over here, and I also installed a projector screen. And today's video is about how I installed that projector screen. So everything is simple and easy, and no fancy stuff. But all when you set it up, you feel like, yeah, that's definitely something you need if you are a big fan of having a home theater at home and watching movies on the big screen. Alright guys, as you can see, the projector screen that's been hanging up there, and this was my TV lounge. And what I was trying to do is I can use it both as a TV lounge and a home theater. So to do that, what the problem I was facing is the projector screen I bought that was fully motorized, but you cannot install it on the ceiling. So you can just set it up on the wall, and when it'll fall down, it'll be definitely going behind the TV. So my goal was to set it up in a way so I can use this room as a TV lounge and a home theater as well. So for that, I did some simple steps which I can show you, which I will be showing you in the video, how I pull it off. I bought this screen from Home Depot, and you can see this is the remote, and it's very simple to move the screen up, down, and stop. So if you press this button, the screen will come down. Alright, it'll come all the way down, and you will see that it will fall in front of the TV, not like behind the TV. So when I need my home theater projector screen, I can just press a button, it'll fall in front of the TV, and the room will convert into a home theater. So as you can see, it's coming all the way down. Alright, so that's how you can fall. Now I can turn my projector. I have a projector over here installed on the wall, on the ceiling. So I just turn it on, and my room will turn into a home theater in like 5 seconds. So, and if I want to go back and make it a TV lounge, I just need to press this button, and the screen will go back up. This is how I installed my projector screen. So I bought these Christian Marche screws and the shelf clamps. So this is what I bought. You can easily get it from anywhere, from Home Depot, I guess, Lowe's, anywhere. And same on the other side. Alright, so that's how you can easily do it, but you have to have a tape measure, so you can use that to do the measurements accurately. So you cannot, your screen will be like straight and not like tilted. So that's all you have to do, but you have to make sure you're making enough room behind that wall, so when the projector screen falls, it comes in front of the TV, not like it's touching the TV or going behind the TV. So you have to be careful in doing whenever you're drilling the screws in the wall. You have to make sure you do it right and you do the accurate measurements. Alright, so it's very easy. You can measure the distance from the wall from here to here, and the distance from here to here should be the same, and same applies on the height. Over here, from here to here, this length should be same as this length. So that way the screen will be at the point where it's not tilted. It'll be like very straight, and that's definitely gonna make everything look right. So the setup is easy. and there's to power this motor, of course, you need a letter from the electric socket. So this is another remote that comes with the projector screen, so to move the screen up or down or stop. So I have like 2 kids at home, so I don't want them to touch this wire, so that's why I set up with the extension cord. So everything, if the screen is like folded up, it will stay up and it's out of the reach of the children, so you can easily just unplug it and leave it on the floor, so everything stays away from kids. Alright, so thank you so much, and please like and subscribe my channel, and like the video, of course, and like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you like my content. Thank you so much.